Are you ready to uncover the secret behind making habits stick and transforming your daily routines? Imagine having the power to effortlessly build positive behaviors that lead to lasting change. In this captivating video, we dive into the fascinating world of the second law of behavior change, making it attractive. Discover the science behind dopamine-driven feedback loops and how anticipation plays a crucial role in motivating us to take action. But that's not all. We'll unveil a powerful strategy known as temptation bundling that can revolutionize the way you approach your habits. Get ready to be inspired and empowered as you embark on a journey of making your habits irresistibly attractive and habit-forming. This video is a game changer for anyone seeking a more fulfilling and productive life. Don't miss out on this intriguing exploration of behavioral psychology. Let's explore some practical examples of how to apply the second law of behavior change to make habits more attractive and habit-forming. 1. Fitness and music pairing. If you struggle to find motivation to exercise, try pairing your workout sessions with your favorite music. Create a playlist of energetic and uplifting songs that you only listen to while exercising. The anticipation of enjoying your favorite tunes will make your workouts more attractive, and soon, the connection between music and exercise will become a habit. 2. Reading and relaxation. If you want to read more books but find it challenging to make time for it, combine the activity with a relaxing ritual. Brew a cup of tea or coffee, find a comfortable spot, and dedicate a specific time each day for reading. The comforting experience of relaxation paired with the joy of reading will make it an attractive habit that you'll look forward to. 3. Language learning and social interaction. Learning a new language can be intimidating, but you can make it more attractive by turning it into a social activity. Join a language exchange group or find language learning partners online to practice speaking with. The prospect of engaging conversations and making new friends while learning will keep you motivated to consistently practice the language. 4. Healthy eating and culinary adventure. Transform healthy eating into an attractive habit by exploring new recipes and cooking techniques. Set a weekly goal to try out a healthy recipe from different cuisines. The excitement of discovering delicious and nutritious meals will make healthy eating more appealing and sustainable. 5. Productivity and workspace enhancement. Boost your productivity by making your workspace more attractive. Personalize it with inspiring quotes, plants, or artwork that you love. Having a visually appealing and comfortable environment will increase the attractiveness of sitting down to work and help establish a productive routine. 6. Financial saving and goal rewarding. Saving money can feel like a chore, but you can make it more attractive by rewarding yourself for reaching specific savings milestones. Set financial goals and associate each goal with a meaningful reward, like a weekend getaway or a special purchase. The anticipation of the reward will make saving money a more enticing habit. Remember, making habits attractive doesn't have to be complicated. By strategically combining activities you enjoy with the ones you want to cultivate, you can transform any habit into an irresistible part of your daily life. We wish you a day full of powerful atomic habits. Subscribe for more.